Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 6 of Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. So far we have completed 8 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to discuss question number 9. Question 9. Your company deploys several virtual machines on premises and to Azure. ExpressRoute is deployed and configured for on-premises to Azure connectivity. And what is ExpressRoute? ExpressRoute lets you extend your on-premises network into the Microsoft Cloud over a private connection with the help of a connectivity provider. Several virtual machines exhibit network connectivity issues. You need to analyze the network traffic to identify whether packets are being allowed or denied to the virtual machine. So this is the keyword for this question. There are 4 versions of this question available over the internet. One suggests the solution will be use Azure Traffic Analytics in Azure Network Watcher. So let's understand what is the Network Watcher. Network Watcher provides a suite of tools to monitor, diagnose, view matrices, and enable or disable logs for Azure Infrastructure as Service resources. The Network Watcher is a combination of multiple tools, and Traffic Analytics is a tool inside Network Watcher. Let's understand what Traffic Analytics can do for us. Traffic Analytics is a cloud-based solution that provides visibility into user and application activity in cloud networks. But in our case, we would like to identify whether packets are being allowed or denied to virtual machine. We would not like to make any assessment of visibility for user and application in this regard. Therefore, solution 1 is incorrect for us. Another solution is use Azure Advisor to analyze network traffic. Azure Advisor is a digital cloud assistant that helps you follow best practices to optimize your Azure deployments. It analyzes your resource configuration and uses telemetry and then recommends solutions that can help you improve the cost effectiveness, performance, reliability, and security of your Azure resources. Therefore, it will not help us to analyze the network traffic, and this is incorrect for us. Another solution is install and configure the Azure monitoring agent and the dependency agent on all the virtual machines. Use VM Insights in Azure Monitor to analyze the network traffic. Let's understand what VM Insights will do for us. VM Insights provide a quick and easy method for getting started monitoring the client workloads on your virtual machines and virtual machine skill sets. It will help us to monitor the workload on the virtual machine, not the traffic of the virtual machine. Therefore, this is also the incorrect option for us. Now we are left with the solution, which is use Azure Network Watcher to run IP Flow Verify to analyze network traffic. Under the Azure Network Watcher, we have one tool called IP Flow Verify. IP Flow Verify is a feature in Azure Network Watcher that you can use to check if a packet is allowed or denied to or from an Azure virtual machine based on the configured security and admin rules. Therefore, this is the correct answer for us. And when this question appear in the exam with this solution, which is IP Flow Verify, we'll tick yes, otherwise you'll tick no. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.